It's been fantastic, inspiring, encouraging, and to end with worship like that, it's just really invigorating.
Definitely check it out. If you can come to the conference next year, then you will find out about everything that they're doing.
So far it's been absolutely amazing. It's been so inspiring.
They've been there, done it, and seen how it works.
Rock for us is a great gateway into our community.
We are absolutely loving the fact that we're working with Rock.
I think that the great strength of Rock is actually bringing people together and inspiring them to go out there and do things. Some of that is Rock doing it, within the organisation itself, but elsewhere it's also Rock just being the catalyst.
Working with Rock has been a real opportunity for us.
Grab hold of it and actually subscribe to the very ethos of what Rock is.
I've kind of come away and I just feel so cared for and so loved.